Okay, today we will solve the problems which has different flexural rigidity. Okay, so different flexural rigidity for different spans. Okay, different flexural rigidity for different spans. How we will solve the problems? We already discussed yesterday. Not a big deal. Okay, so we will see. And I have one small doubt. And I have one small doubt. One small doubt. So it's a doubt you have to clear. Okay, if it is something simply supported beam, if it is loading is applied exactly this P, this is L by 2, this is L by 2, but this is flexural rigidity of 2 EI, this is EI. Then the reactions are P by 2 and P by 2. Is it correct or wrong? And also bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram also you can write it now. It's a bending moment diagram. So bending moment diagram also this is a PL by 4. Is it correct? Or if it is EA is different, na? EA is different for this portion. So bending moment is right or wrong? Right or wrong? And also I have a small question. Same thing. If it is fixed beam. Okay? Fixed beam and I applied a P. And if you see same like this. This is a 2 EA. This is EA. Flexural rigidity is different. That means cross section is different. We already know. If we already know that if it is equal flexural rigidity EI, load is applied P. So what is the fixed end moments? This is a PL by 8. This is also PL by 8. You know it? We already solved it. So same thing. If it is a P applied, what is the moment here? What is the moment here? Is it PL by 8 or not? So bending moment is acting on that location is dependent on flexural rigidity or not? If it is dependent, so this is MB, I said it is MB. If it is dependent, MB is greater than MB or MB is less than MB. Which one is right? Which one is wrong? And how? How? And how? Which one is right and which one is wrong? And how? I have a small doubts. So bending moment, the equilibrium equations, M moment is 0. So Fx equals 0, Fy equals 0. These are not dependent on any cross section. Any cross section. But so then if it is not dependent on any cross section, this is same PL by 8, PL by 8, is it right or wrong? I have a question. So just I have a question. Okay. So check it or find it or search it. This is for your knowledge. Check it is whether it is PL by 8. Is it okay? This is not dependent on any cross section, or is it dependent on cross section? I don't know. You are more enthusiastic, I think. Just check it. Just check it. Okay. I understood what is my concern. What I am asking. I understood. Just understood. So this is one problem, and also this is one problem. Just check it. Okay. That is I give an assignment for your enlightenment. Enlightenment. So okay. That is not our problem, but is your assignment. Just check it, search it, and get it. Okay. So now what is our situation is? Now our situation is so this is a beam. This is a beam. This is 1.5 I, this is 2I, this is 1.5I. I said E is more or same because we use same material. Only cross section, if cross section is different, I is different. I is moment of inertia, na? So moment of inertia is dependent on cross sectional area. So that's why they didn't give an E. So the E is same. Okay. So if it is A, B, C, D. He said that he given that if support C is sink by 15 mm, 15 mm, find the moments. He didn't give any loading on the beam because these are the normal things. I'm not interested to give a loading on this because if your load is there, okay, no problem at all. We already did. So just I given only C is sink by 15 mm. So no need to do again same different loadings. If it is given uniformly distributed load or point load, not a big deal. We already solved so many problems now. That's why I'm not interested to give any loading. So I just solve. Okay. So you can do if any load is given, you can do it easily. Okay. And he gave that EI is 9,000 kilonewton meter square. Okay. So that is the EI value. 1I. So this is 1.5I, this is 2I, this is 1.5I. So how to calculate the moments? So this is the problem. Find out the moments and bending moment diagram. So that's it now. So we already know the equation is MA L1 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 plus 6A1x1 by L1 6A2x2 by L2 is equal to the 6EI delta by L 6EI delta 2 by L2. That's it now. So if it is divided by EI, how it come? So it comes like EI1 to EI2 EI2 EI1 EI2. So if it is divided by EI1, I2 will cancel. That's it now. That is the equation. That's it. No big deal. Not a big deal. Just divided by with EI. Okay. Someone messaged. Okay. Okay. So just took it. We already solved this. We already know MD is 0 because it's a edge and simply supported. It will give 0 moment. But MB is there, MA is there, MB is there, and MC is there. Okay. So what are the values? By sinking of the support of C. Just C support is sinking. If C support is sinking, it transferred the moments to B and A also because these are the continuous beams. It has a connection. Are understood? So everyone gets some portion, some contribution. Okay. So if it is loading also there, you can use it. So it's not a big deal. That's why I avoided loading. So we did so many problems. Okay. First, what we will do? We already know. So if it is a fixed beam is there, we can't. If it's just one equation A, B, C. So A, B, C, one equation will get. B, C, D, one equation will get two equations. But they are the three unknowns. So that's why we have to assume some A dash support also there. And L is 0. EI is also 0. Something imaginary. So we'll start directly. Okay. So directly with A dash A B first beam. So MA dash is 0 directly taken. 2MA L1 is I didn't give an L, so I will give L. Portions. This is a 3 meters. So this is a 5 meters. This is again 3 meters. Okay. Solve it. So solve it. L1 is What is L1? Don't write equations again and again. L1 is what? L1 is 0. This is L1 is 0, no? 0. L2 is 3 meters divided by E of I2. I2 means this. Okay. So I directly write it. No need of E2. So what is that value? E 1.5I. Okay. So that's it. Plus MA, and now it's a MB. MB of same thing, 3 divided by E 1.5I. Okay, that's it now. So we will consider this spans A dash. Understood? A dash, A and B. So this is 2, this is 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. So 6A1, A2, these are the loading conditions. These are the divide with respect to loading. There is no loading, just avoid it. Avoid it. Okay. Is equal to the 6E1 delta 1. What is only sinking is, what is sinking? C is sinking. Are understood? C is sinking. C is sink. A dot, it is an imaginary support. A is not sink. B is also not sink. So these values also 0. Delta 1, delta 2 also 0, because C only support C is sinking, not a B, not a A. So these are also 0. These are also 0. Are understood? So that's it. So now you can easily cancel this value, because if it go outside 0. So how can you write it? 6MA plus 3MB is equal to 0. Okay. 6A na? That's it na? That's it. That is the one equation. That is the one equation. Equation 1. So next we will choose another span ABC. ABC. It is ABC. Okay. This is the 3 meters. This is the 5 meters. This C is sink by 15 mm. Understood? So write it. MA L1 is at 3 divided by 1.5I, and also E 1.5. So 2 MB 3 divided by 1.5I E. So next is 5 divided by 2. That's it na? 2I. Just it's a 2I. It's a 2I. It's a 1.5. Okay. 2I E plus MC 5 divided by 2I E. So loading, there is no loading. There is no loading. Just avoid it. If your loading is there, just you do it. So we did so many problems. That's why I avoid it. Is equal to the 6. Support is sinking. Only C. So for AB span 0. Delta 1 is 0. Delta 2 is 15 mm. But C it is the support. Support C. Support C is out for BC. Support C is sinking. Support C is sinking. This is a support C. This is support B. So C is support with reference of B is below. Below we taken as a negative sign. Are understood? We taken as a negative sign. That's it na? So that's it. We taken as a negative sign. Taken as a negative sign. What is the value? What is that value? 6 EI. So what is that second? So second is 2 na? 2EI delta 2 divided by L1 and 2EI. Again divided by 2EI. So that's why these two are cancelled. 6 delta 2. So that's it. 6 delta 2 is, what is the value? 15 mm na? 15 into 10 power minus 3 divided by delta 2 is what? 5 mm. 5 meters. That's it. That's it. This is the second equation. This is the second equation. Are understood? So solve it. Solve it to second equation. How we will get? So mostly EI will go to that place. Go to second equation. So 3MA. So directly we will write it as, so 2. Okay. So 2MA plus 2MB. It's a 2 it's a 2.5. 2.5 na? So 2.5 and it's a 2.5. 2.5 mc is equal to the 6 into 15 10 power minus 3 divided by 5 multiply with EI. So EI go to that place. EI is what is 9000 kilonewton meter square. That's it na? So what is that values? What is that value? These 3000, these 3 cancel. So directly 6 multiply with 15 multiply with 9, answer divided by 5. So 162. 2 MA 4.5, so 9 MB plus 2.5 MC is equal to the 162. That's it, na? That's it. This is the second equation. Now we will go to third span is BCD. That's it, na? Third span is BCD. We already know MD is 0 because it behaves a hinge joint will give 0 moment. So I will once again draw for your clarification. This is BCD, MD is 0. This is 1.5E, it is 2I. 1.5I, 2I. The span length is 3 meters, 5 meters and 3 meters. That's it, na? So write it. MB L1 is 5 divided by 2I E 2 MC 5 divided by 2 IE. Next is 3 divided by 1.5 IE. That's it, na? So MD is 0. So no need of write. So is equal to the is equal to, so if you see it is C is sinking. Understood? C is sinking, not a B. C is sinking means what? C is sinking means what? What will get? C is sinking means what you get? You get like, it is C is sinking, C is sinking, it will go type, it will go type. Sir, D is a hinge joint, na? So no need of getting moment. So we know it. We included it in the MD is 0. So we have to write it. So D is a 0. So if it is C is sinking, there is no effect on D. There is no effect on D, but we have to write it because we concluded MD is 0. So okay. So what will get? So what will get? C, it will go like this and it will go like this. So B is with respect to C 15 mm above. D is also 15 mm above. So that's why we taken as a positive sign. Okay. So 6 delta 1 is what? Delta 1 is 15 mm, na? 15 mm divided by L1. L1 is what? L1 is 5 mm. So 5 meters. So second is 6, 15, 10 power minus 3 as again 5. So okay. Delta 1 is delta 2. Same 15 meters. See, 15 mm. Understood? So that's it. So sorry, it's not a 5, it's a 3 mm. See, 3 meters. L2 is 3 meters. That's it, na? That's it. Now you can form the equation. So it is a EI, just leave it. EI will go to outside. So 2.5 MB. Okay. EI will take it. So it's a 2.5. It's a 2. 4.5 same 9. 9 MC is equal to the take it just 16 10 power minus 3 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. That's it, na? Multiply with EI. EI will come 9000. Okay. So what is that value? So 8 divided by 15. So 8 divided by 15. Answer multiply with 90. 48. Answer multiply with 9. So 432. 9 MC is equal to 432. That's it, na? So this is the third equation. That's it. Once you got 3 equations, now it's turn to find out. So first 3 equations, second equation will get, what is that? 2MA plus 9MB plus 2.5 MC is equal to the 162. That is the second. What is the first equation? 6MA. 6MA plus 3MB is equal to 0. That is the first equation. So using these three equations, you can easily find out MA and MB, MC. So what is the value? Can you find out? So I don't have answers. Okay, we will do it. So if you see, it is 6MA is equal to minus 3MB. So 2MA is equal to the minus 2MA is equal to MB. That's it, no? So it is a 4. So you already know MA is equal to MB. So what we will do? Place it in the second equation. So place it in the second equation. So what will get? So 2MA will give minus MB. Otherwise 2MA will give minus MB. So okay, minus MB plus 9MB plus 2.5 MC is equal to 162. So 8MB plus 2.5 MC is equal to 162. Okay, so this is fifth. So already we have 3. What is 3? 2.5 MB plus 9 MC is equal to the 432. So you already 3. So based on these 3 equations, you will get. So I already know fifth 1. So 8, 2.5 and minus 162. Okay, that is equation. Second, 2.5 9 minus 432. So what we will get? MB is minus 5.7. MC is minus 46.40. Those are the equations. Maybe if something is wrong, you can search it. You can find out. Okay, you can do the problem. MB and MC are understood. So once you got MB and MC, what is MA? MA is minus MB by 2. So what is MA? MA is, it's not a 5 point, it's a 5.74. So 5.74 divided by 2, it's a 2.87 positive. See, these are the hogging moments, these are the sagging moment, and MD is 0. Then maybe values are wrong. You have to check once again. I just want to leave for you, but okay, I will do it. So once you got it, so that's it. You can draw shear force diagram or bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram you can draw. This is 0. It's a D. I think C. It is a B. It is A. See, hogging moments is 0. MB is 5.4. This is a 40. This is a 40. This is 2. It is 2.87. Okay. This is 5.74. This is 46.4. This is 0. So you can just directly add it. Okay. So this is negative, this is positive. This is a bending moment diagram. Understood? It is a bending moment diagram. Maybe once you have to check the values, okay, that's it. Now we have to find out the shear force diagram. So shear force diagram, how can you write? So we have to write free body diagrams. We will come with BD. So we will come with BD. So see this, B has a support, there is no loading. Only C has moment is what? 46 hogging moment. 46.40. Okay, so that's it now. So what is this value? What is the length? Length is 3 meters. That's it. So what is RA? So RD. So RD multiply with 3 plus 46.40 equal to 0. So okay, 46.4, okay, divided by 3 will give 15.46. RD is 15.46, but opposite direction. We'll get negative means opposite. So it will come like this direction. So if it is 15.46 this direction, is 15.46 same. Understood? So next span. Same, it is a 46 hogging moment. 46. So this is RC1, this is RC2, I call it as. And what is the RB? B has also same hogging moment, 5.74. RB1, I call it as. Okay. See this length of what is 5 meters. So write it, RC2 multiply with 5 minus of 46.4 plus 5.74 equal to 0. That's it now. So 46.4 minus of 5.74 will give 40. Answer divided by 5. So 8.12. 8.132. So it is in the same direction. So I will write this same direction, 8.13. So it will come opposite direction because there is no external loading now. There is no external loading, so it is come 8.132. So opposite. So now we will come to third. It is a 5.74, but it's a sagging moment, 2.87. So it's a sagging moment. What are the reaction? So if you see, this is RB2, this is RA. Write it, RB2 multiply with 3 meters, minus of 5.7 minus of what is that value, 2.87 equal to 0. What is that value? 5.74 plus 2.87. Answer divided by 3 equal to 2.87. Same thing, same direction, 2.87. So this is 2.87, this is 2.87. That's it. These are the shear forces. So what is the reaction? What is the reaction at RC? Club it. What is the reaction at RB? Club it. Add it. And write down the shear force diagram. Write down the shear force diagram. Can you write it? So see, it is not, so it's directly come to top. It's the bottom now. So downwards we can write it's a positive. So top, it's what is value? So value of 15.46. So now it is 15.46. So this is, we will write it. What will write it? How can you write it? If it is a 15.46, there is no shear force at all. There is no change at all. So we'll write like, say, there is no change at all. So 15.46. So again it will come 8.312. It's a top. Understood? Top means it will go again. It's a 15. Again increasing. So it is increasing. So okay, that's it. That's a good thing. No need to down. So 15.46 and again increasing of 8.132. So it will come like up to this portion. So up to this portion, okay. So up to this portion, so 8.32, 8.312. So now it comes to 2.87. So 2.87 comes directly 2.87. Okay, 2.87 just decreasing. So 2.87, it's almost 2.87. So that's it, 2.87 downwards 2.87 downwards, na? Where it is wrong? Something, it's 8.312, it's 15. So again it's a reaction. So it will come to, there is no change at all. It will come, it will treat it as 8.312. So okay, so now it has 8.312. It's downwards now. No, it's downwards. Again it will come to 2.87. So if you see, it is how it comes like 2.87. So downwards 2.87 will come like that's will comes like is a 2.87. It's a 15.6 like this it will come. Maybe just check the values. Okay, if you check the values you can get the clear picture. You will get the clear picture. Okay, so the reaction at B, reaction at C is 15.6, so this value we will get. Reaction at B you will get 8 plus 10 value. You will get a 10 value. So like this. Okay, this is 2.87. Okay, so 2.87 like this something shear force will come. Check the values. Maybe I think it's wrong values. I think that's why it gives something like. Okay, so that's it now. So that's it. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. So we have 20 minutes left. So once you just see the syllabus, we complete the syllabus. I think where is the syllabus? Okay, just say the syllabus. Where it is? What's happening? See the syllabus. See the second unit syllabus. Okay, analysis of the propped cantilevers, shear force and bending moment diagrams, deflection of the propped cantilevers. We discussed it. Deflection of the fixed beams also. We calculated how to calculate fixed beams with area movement method. Okay, effect of the sinking of the support, effect of the rotation of the support. So what is the rotation of the support? We already did the by the deflection by the rotation. We solve it now. We solve it by the deflection. We all solve the same problem. By the rotation of the support also we solve the same problem. That's it. And also Clapeyron's theorem for 3 moments. Analysis of the continuous beam with constant moment of inertia with one or both ends fixed. We did so many problems. Continuous beam with overhang. We solve it. Continuous beam with different moment of inertia for different span. We solve it. And effect of the sinking of the support. We solved it. Shear force and bending moment diagrams. Okay, that's the syllabus. End of the second unit. So third unit is arches. It requires so much syllabus. 3-hinged arch, Eddy's theorem, determination of the horizontal thrust, bending moments, and also 2-hinged also included. Okay, too much syllabus. And also slope and deflection moment. Each chapter requires at least 10 classes. How they put like this I don't understand. And also influence lines required so much classes. Plastic analysis also required at least 12 classes. 60 classes is not required, not sufficient. They put like compressed. They put like compressed. That is the syllabus. Okay, I understood. So that is the syllabus. We close the second unit. We can close the second unit. So I have a small doubt, not a doubt. I am asking remaining subjects syllabus ఎలా ఉన్నాయప్ప